Gr2. I really miss you all, my dear students. I hope you all in good health. First, open your book, page number 575. Last session, we talked about unit fraction. Today, we will talk about a new lesson called part of a whole. First, what's meant by a whole? A whole is all or everything of an object. You didn't take from it anything. For example, this board called a whole, your book called a whole. Everything, you didn't take from it anything. Let's watch a video to explain this.
Let's learn fractions. Understanding fractions can be easy as 1, 2, 3. Just watch this video and you'll be using fractions with ease. It's easy to count whole things like a pizza, a pie, or a donut. But what if we only had part of one? How would we count it then? We'd use fractions. A fraction looks like this. The bottom number is called the denominator. It shows how many equal pieces an object has been divided into. The top number is called the numerator. It shows how many parts of the denominator you are looking at. For example, a pizza is usually divided into 8 slices. That means that in a fraction, the denominator would be 8. If you normally eat 1 slice of pizza, then 1 would be the numerator. That means that you eat 1/8 of a pizza. If you normally eat 2 slices of pizza, then 2 would be the numerator. The denominator would still be 8 since there are always 8 slices of pizza. That would mean that you eat 2/8 of a pizza. Let's try another example. This pie is divided into 6 pieces, and you eat 4 pieces of it. If there were 6 pieces of pie and you eat 4, what is the denominator of your fraction? That's right, 6. What is the numerator? Yup, it's 4. That means that you ate 4/6 of the pie. Let's try one more example. If you and your friend have 1 donut to share, then you will cut it into 2 pieces. If there are 2 pieces of donut and you eat 1, what is the numerator of your fraction? That's right, the numerator is 1. What is the denominator? Right again, it's 2. When the fraction is 1/2, we call that 1/2. Thanks for watching.
After finishing the video, we will start to explain what's meant by part of a whole. First, to create a fraction right by the shape. Okay. Number up called numerator, and number down called denominator. What's meant by the numerator? Numerator tells the number of equal parts being represented, and denominator tells the total number of equal parts, or write a line to separate between 2 numbers. Example number 1. In this example, we give you bulletin board is divided equally into 4 stripes. What fraction of the bulletin board is green? When he wants from you to write a fraction, first write a sign of fraction, this line. You will write down a denominator. Denominator, total parts. So how many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. And up we want from you to write the bulletin board is green. We want from you to write parts consist from green color. So here how many parts consist from green color? One part. So right here, 1. When you read this fraction, you will say 1/4. 1/4. As 1 here is singular. Here, one part that is green and called numerator. Down, total number of parts called denominator. Denominator tells the number of equal parts being represented. Denominator tells the total number of equal parts. After finishing this page, open the next page. Example number 2. What fraction of the flag is red? To write a fraction, so first draw a line like this to separate between numerator and denominator. Down, total number of equal parts. So here how many parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are red and white. And you will write up number of red parts. So here how many red parts? 1 and 2. 2 parts. When you read this fraction, you will say 2/3, as 2 is plural number. Okay? Guided practice. Complete the chart, write a fraction for each part. First, fraction model. Second, part that is yellow. Third, part that is not yellow. Let's take example number 1. This model is divided into 4 parts. And he wants from you to write a fraction. So first, put here a line to separate between numerator and denominator. Down you will write total parts. How many total parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. We want from you to write part that is yellow. So here how many parts are yellow? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. So 3 called numerator and 4 called denominator. When you read this fraction, you will say 3/4, as 3 is plural number, as it consists from 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here, part that is not yellow. You will draw a line like this, and you will write down here equal 4. 4 parts, total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 4. You will write part that is not yellow. How many parts here are not yellow? 1 part. So right here 1. When you read this fraction, you will say that 1/4, as 1 consists from 1 part, as 1 is singular number. Example number 2. This model divided into parts. First, write part that is yellow. When he wants from you to write this like fraction, first draw here a line to separate between these two numbers. Down you will write total parts. Okay, so here how many parts? Total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts. And that's called denominator. Up you will write part that is yellow. So here how many parts are yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. This is called numerator and that's called denominator. When you read this fraction you will say 5/8 as 5 is plural number, as 5 consists from 5 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5/8 part that is not yellow. First you will draw a line like this to separate between numerator and denominator. Down you will write total number of parts. So here how many parts in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts. And up you will write part that is not yellow. So here how many parts are not yellow? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. That's called numerator and that's called denominator. Okay? When you read this fraction you will say 3/8 as 3 is plural number consisting from 3 parts 1, 2, 3. Okay, solve number 4 and 5 in the same way by yourself. Any question? We will complete this lesson in the next session. Thanks.